It's my privilege to be standing before you and introduce an eminent personality among the Maharashtrians at Hyderabad. Mr. Mysore Vasanta Madhav Rao was in the service of the government of AP and he retired in the year 1993. He retired as the Additional Registrar of Cooperatives and he is considered an authority on the cooperative law. His talent and his ability was recognized by the ex-Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. N.T. Ramarao, and he was given an extension of service. Today, 22 years later, the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, has entrusted him with the drafting of laws for the cooperatives for the new residual state of government of Andhra Pradesh. That speaks volumes of the man and his authority on that particular subject. And it's our pleasure and honor for us that we are able to call him up here and honor him. I request the chief guest to do the honors, please.
Madhav Rao is a person who has drafted the Constitution of SEMA. The bylaws of SEMA was drafted by him, and that was the foundation for SEMA. So thanks, Mr. Madhav Rao. Accept this honor. Yeah, Mr. Madhav Rao will respond to this honor. So I request Mr. Madhav.
Gentlemen on the dais and my friends, I am grateful for the honor done to me by SEMA. I am myself a beneficiary of Maharashtra Education Fund, Madras, from 1945 to 49 when I graduated, and also stayed in Ramakrishna Mission Students' Home as a beneficiary of MEF. After graduation, I was selected to the subordinate services of Madras government and given training, posted to Rayalaseema districts. From there, after training in a specialized land mortgage banking, I was posted to Nizamabad, Telangana area, by Mr. Humayun Yar Khan, the then additional registrar. I was given a target of organizing land mortgage cooperative societies in 5 places: Kamareddy, Manchariyal, Jagdiyal, Miryalaguda, and Hyderabad West. As a recognition of good work done at Nizamabad, recoveries as well as giving long-term loans for liquidation of prior debts of agriculturalists, I was given a red entry by the government, and Mr. Abid Hussain Razvi, a deputy registrar for land mortgage banks, drafted me to head office at Hyderabad on 16/7/59 after 1 year of stint at Nizamabad, and asked me to supervise in the 9 districts of Telangana the land mortgage cooperative societies. Why I am telling now this is, the land mortgage bank societies were giving long-term loans to the agriculturalists to discharge prior debts. That is now absent. That's why you find a lot of difficulties faced by the agriculturalists now. Here, one important instance took place. When I organized Jagdiyal Land Mortgage Society, the chairman, Mr. Kailasapati, suggested P.V. Narasimhaji to be included as a director of that organization. It's really a good, I didn't know that he would be the future Prime Minister of India. It's a rare honor to me, more than anything else in life. Like this, I have given service, may not be, I have served SEMA, but I drafted the original when Mr. Muralidhar and Madan of Khajana family came to me in 78 and suggested to me draft the bylaws for the SEMA. I did that job, that's all. Once or twice I attended as an election officer for the election of board of directors. Beyond that, my service has been only well-wishing for the growth of SEMA, and thanks to Raghavendra Rao ji and Krishna Baji ji, Dr. Chandrasekhar, who is my distant relative also, it has grown from strength to strength. Well, in public service, I have done some satisfactory service to myself, satisfaction to myself, to weavers, sugarcane growers, weavers at Narayanpet housing colony, to sugarcane growers at Bhimadol, West Godavari district, a sugar factory, to agriculturalists as central bank special officer, and finally to the weavers at Hyco Fabrics. There was for Telangana a FX organization called Hyco Fabrics. Somehow the government, whenever they have inconvenient people, they will supersede and post government officers. I was posted to Hyco Fabrics as special officer. After the board of Kondarashan Bapuji was superseded. Hyco Fabrics is an excellent institution. I don't know why it was superseded. When you don't like a inconvenient person, you supersede it. Well, there I did one year service and then got the board elected. I did the public service. In public service, I have done the service with empathy to persons who approached me. That way, I have a satisfaction, and I am blessed with good children. Two of them are specialists, doctors, cardiologists, and teachers, professors from Vivekvardhani also. It's a good life, and I thank SEMA for honoring me this day. This day is a memorable day because I had very good music, Annamayas, Kirtanas, dance in Kamboji and Athana Ragas, and that young karate boy and dancers. It's a very good organization. Those who have planned this have done it excellently. And my thanks to all of you for having patiently heard me.